Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Happy day 28 of July, saving $6 a day, and happy Shark Week. So I hope you guys are doing well. Let me know down below if you watched any of Shark Week last night, if you caught my little brief live. I've been going live every night for about 10-15 minutes just to say hi, go over the schedule, and show you what my freebie will be on Ko-fi that day. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm having some trouble with these nails, but I'm putting my $6 in here. These nails are crazy. All right, so we're gonna go get our prop coins. I think part of the reason why I'm so excited for my new setup is because I won't have this glitter envelope. But glitter, I love glitter. I mean, for real, but. All right, so number 4, we are gonna start here. Okay. Get everything situated. Prop coins, let's do it. 2 for number 4. I hope you guys have been doing well. I hope you're staying cool in this crazy heat wave I feel like I can't get away from. So number 6, and then we go back. Number 6 got 3. I don't think I said that. 3 for number 1. 2 for the Great White. Let's see. Gray Reef is also getting 2. Great Hammerhead is getting 2. I feel like I want you to see that because it's so pretty. Number 5 is getting, it's the Mako. It's getting 1. Oh. 2 for number 6. That is the Leopard. Go back to number 1. 1 for 1. 2 for 2. We do love that. And 1 for 3, which means our last one will go on 4. And we will start at Judy's Pumpkins tomorrow. I need the most on this one because this is our $8 one. Okay, so we can scoot you out of the way. Okay. Come on, Glare. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So $1 going into number 1. And this is from Kimmy's Corner. Oh, heifer, please. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $1 here. This will be a nice $5 saver. Going to household. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Also going into number 2, which is from Kimmy's Corner. She had a Etsy launch, so I can tell I bought some things, and then that was from her live. So we have 4. We can do 4 more squares. All right, I'm running my blue marker out of ink again. I did that the other month too. All right, so number 3 is getting 3, so that's 75 cents coming in here. This is from the Millennial Saver, little adorable narwhal, so we can do 3 more hearts. All right, and then number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 25, so $1.25. Oh, this is adorable. So we can do 5 more. This is from Paula at the Swag Doodlers. Such adorable work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For our $1.25 going in here. All right, number 6. Got 75 cents. Number 5, not 6. I jumped the gun. And this one we can do 3 more pumpkins if I can get it out with these nails. right, I will be right back. All right, 3 more pumpkins filled in. Save with Judy. So pretty. All right, let's see what number 6 is. I can't remember, but I got 1, 2, 3, 4, $1.25 in the leopard shark. We finished one. We needed 75 cents. This one's from Kimmy's Corner. So we can put 3 back, cross off the last 3 numbers. This is like our little, well, it came in like the set of the tinies, but all right, that one we didn't write. That is Shark Binder. Oh, that's fun. So that'll be $5 going into the Shark Binder. Even better. I have 50 cents left, right? I wasn't paying the closest attention to it. What do we have here? Oh, Dresden Files, Amanda O on Ko-fi, Greece's Quarter Days winner. This is going to Walmart Plus. Is that true? No, it's going to the Shark Binder. Oh, I colored those in, so we're not, those don't count, but it's going to be $6 and it's going to Shark. But we can put 2 more squares. So I'm going to go 1, 2. Awesome. Amanda, cute challenge. I have the books on my Kindle, and I started reading the first one, but I haven't read it in so long, so I might get back to that. I did watch it when it was on the show on Sci-Fi. So are we done? Oh my goodness. So we did finish one from Kimmy's Corner. Prop coins first. And then we get $5 for our challenge. Grab another 5. And it's going to the Shark Binder. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick this in here. Put this away. And then grab the binder that I moved so it's easier to reach. And find Shark. Shark Binder, Shark Binder. Shark Binder. And we'll put 5 in there. Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Day 28. Hope you're enjoying Shark Week. I hope you're enjoying the last week of July with our minis. I can't wait to see if we can finish all of them or if we're going to go into August with some of these challenges. So we'll just have to wait and see. I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.